Hello, back again to Graphical Communication. Today, we will be covering an Archimedean spiral drawing. When drawing a circular object, we always start with the center line. First, find the center of our circle. Mark points A and B, which is the line of travel. Divide line AB into 12 parts. Divide line AB into 12 parts using the division of a line method. It is recommended to divide into 12 parts for a circular object. Annotate each point in order to make it easier for you to work. As a general rule of thumb, a circle is divided into 12 parts. Therefore, for one revolution, we divide the line AB into 12 parts. From the center of the circle, divide using the angles of 30 and 60 degrees to have 12 segments of the circle. Each segment represents a rotation, a part of the rotation of the Archimedean spiral. Draw circle B, which is the maximum radius, and A in this case is just a point which is the minimum radius. With the use of a compass, mark on each corresponding segment. Mark all points to make an entire revolution. Note the direction of the revolution. In this case, we are going anti-clockwise. Now that all points are marked, all that is left is to freehand draw the Archimedean spiral by joining the dots as accurately as possible. In this example, the Archimedean spiral will do 2 revolutions. This means that line AB will be divided into 24 divisions instead of 12. Due that 12 divisions is 1 revolution, 24 divisions will be 2 revolutions. Having 24 divisions, the circle is still divided into 12 segments using the angle of 30 and 60 degrees. This is due that each segment will be marked upon twice. Note the direction that it is asked, in this case anti-clockwise. Therefore, numbers should be done anti-clockwise. Mark out the first revolution of the Archimedean spiral, then turn for the second revolution. Points by freehand. we are given a minimum radius and a maximum radius, which is the starting point and the end point of our Archimedean spiral. An Archimedean spiral does not necessarily begin or end at the very center of our center line. A is our minimum and B is our maximum radius. For one revolution, divide line AB.